Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I will give you a roadmap to learn natural language processing in 2023. As you know that now AI is at its peak, and every day new and new large language models and kind of conversational models are releasing. The AIs keep growing, and the main idea behind those large language models like ChatGPT, GPT-4, OpenAI, large language models from the Meta and Google BART, everything based on the natural language processing. So in this video, I will show you how you can start your journey with natural language processing and learn all the basic concepts and fundamentals along with the building your portfolio as well in this video. So just be with it and see how you can learn natural language processing in just 3 months. So in the first month, you will have to go through the topics of NLP and its applications and learn about the features of text processing, how can you do the tokenization, lemmatization, and all other things like that. And along with that, you need to learn about how to do text classification by using different machine learning algorithms as well. You have to learn about the topic modeling techniques so that you can also do the document segmentation as well. You can classify that which document or which text belongs to which category of the topic as well. And then at the end of that month, you have to build these 3 projects. The first is about the sentiment and analysis project. Second is about the text classification model that you have to build to check whether a news is fake or not. And then you have to build a named entity recognition model that can help you identify about the people's organization and locations in the text. So after doing all these things in the first month, and you have to move to the second month. In the second month, the first thing you have to do is to learn about the advanced text classification technique using the deep learning algorithm, because in the first month you do it with the help of machine learning. In the second month you have to do it with the deep learning, and to learn about the name entity recognition as well in a more advanced way. Do the sentiment analysis as well in also the more advanced way, and then work on the transformers and their working. You have to just know about the fundamentals of the transformers, that what are transformers, how they are working, and how they actually helps in building the large language models as well. And then at the end of this month, you have to build these 3 projects. The first is you have to build a question answering system that can generate a passage of text on the basis of the question, and you create a chatbot as well, and then create a machine translation system that can do the language translation from one language to another. And then after doing the second month as well, in the third month you have to start learning about the prompt engineering as well. So in prompt engineering, you learn that how large language models actually handle your prompts, handle your text, how they can understand the context behind those prompts as well, and how they get you the accurate response as well. And I also building a course as well. You can go to my YouTube channel as well, and here you can just see on my playlist I am just building this kind of a course that contains of the 6 videos, and the 1 video is already live on the YouTube, and each video is coming up in every Monday of every week. So you can learn about the prompt engineering from my YouTube channel as well. And then you have to start working with the large language models as well, like GPT-3 and T5 as well. And also in my prompt engineering course, I also do these kind of things to build the large language models using the pre-trained models like GPT-3 and T5. And you have to do the fine-tuning those large language models for a specific task, like language translation, autocorrect, these kind of things. And then you have to know how to deploy these NLP models using the CI/CD pipelines or MLOps. I also build a video on the deployment of your AI powered app as well. You can see that is the video. This is Deadpool 2.0. It is also an AI powered app that will let you know that how to generate stories, and I also deploy it using the Flask. After the end of the third month, you need to build these 3 projects. The first is use the pre-trained language models to generate the personalized recommendations. Then you have to build a language model that can generate descriptive captions for images as well, and then build a conversational AI system that can understand the context and can answer the customer queries in a very natural and efficient manner. So in this these 3-month course, you can easily learn about natural language processing and be upgraded yourself with the AI that is running nowadays. Or you can have the help from my YouTube channel, where I keep posting these kind of videos as well on prompt engineering, on AI powered app, on pre-trained large language kind of models as well, and along with how to understand the GPT-4 architecture as well, Bayesian networks. These all kind of topics you can easily learn from my YouTube channel as well. And along with, if you want to learn more, I also posted many kind of blogs on various kind of topics as well, to learn about an NLP, machine learning, deep learning, statistics, all the kind of stuff. So thank you guys. Thank you for here, and I will post this roadmap into the video description. And thank you guys.